So today we have the Rolex Datejust 41mm, which was a victim of a very unfortunate house fire. This thing was fully destroyed. Every single piece rusted, seized, burned. Even the watch stand it came in on was fully destroyed. But I'm gonna restore it piece by piece. Let's jump into it. When I say everything is destroyed, just take a look at the date wheel here. It actually melted, all the literature fell right off. All right, now that it's broken down, we can jump into the cleaning part. Screw by screw, piece by piece, I'm gonna restore this thing back to new. So you guys are probably at this part going, why is the burned dial still going back in? This was a creative choice between me and the client. I think that this makes it very unique. It's a one of one, and it's the only one that's out there in the world.